Hello, friends. Welcome back. Hope you're doing well and are ready for the next session in this Agile and Scrum series. This session is a continuation of the Scrum Artifact product backlog session.
Let us now discuss and understand definition of ready. It is a checklist for ensuring the completeness of the product backlog items. Any product backlog item that does not meet the definition of ready checklist will not be considered for the sprint planning. The product backlog items that meet definition of ready and can be done by the development team within a single sprint are deemed as ready for selection in the sprint planning. Let us understand this better with the help of a flowchart. Starting with the product backlog. Here the product backlog items which are to be checked for detailing and completeness are reviewed against the definition of ready checklist. Only the items that pass through definition of ready evaluation criteria and can be done within a single sprint will be deemed as ready for selection. If the items do not meet the criteria, then they should be refined, as it could lead to incomplete understanding of the requirements and delivering low quality products to end users. The product backlog refinement is an ongoing activity that involves updating and improving the product backlog, ensuring that the topmost product backlog items from the backlog are detailed and ready for the upcoming sprints. Both the product owner and the development team collaborate to refine the product backlog items. Product backlog refinement promotes transparency for the upcoming work. The product backlog items, if are not refined and well understood by the team, then it can create gaps in estimation and sizing. Let us understand this better with the help of a diagram. The product owner and the development team collaborate to refine the requirements present in the product backlog and are on the top of the product backlog. In our example, the product backlog consists of 5 product backlog items. The top 3 requirements or the next upcoming product backlog items should be refined so that the dev team can start work. These 3 product backlog items are refined during the product backlog refinement process. The product backlog items which require detailing are detailed in terms of description, order and size. The product backlog items that are big are split into smaller items for the better understanding of the developers. The Scrum team decides how and when the refinement is to be done. It should not consume more than 10% of the development capacity. The product backlog items which are present on the top of product backlog should be clearly defined for the development team to start the work. The product backlog is an ordered list where the top requirements are more refined requirements and the bottom product backlog requirement items are less refined. The product backlog refinement involves detailing, ordering, and sizing and estimations. It is a collaborative effort of the product owner and the developers. The product backlog refinement includes but is not limited to adding more details such as description, order, and size to the product backlog items. Moving to ordering of the product backlog items, choosing appropriate prioritization technique to ensure that more valuable important items are delivered early. Estimation and sizing of the efforts required for the completion of the product backlog items. The product backlog refinement includes breaking down of the product backlog items into smaller and precise product backlog items which are ready for the development team to work on. The existing product backlog items can also be deleted if they are making no sense for the future. It helps developers understand and evaluate the readiness of the upcoming work, and the PO gets the clarifications for the open questions. Let us now discuss and understand the product goal. The product goal describes the future state of the product, the long term objective, and it serves as a target and guiding light for the Scrum team. The Scrum team achieves the product goal through iterative and incremental sprints. The product goal is a commitment in the product backlog, and the rest of the product backlog items emerges to define what will fulfill the product goal. Although the product goal is for long term, but if there is an update required due to changing business or product environment, then the goal is updated by the product owner to adapt to the new changes. The product goal is set by the product owner, who also ensures that the same is communicated to the Scrum team and the stakeholders throughout the product lifecycle. It is important responsibility of the PO to make product goal transparent and visible to all the stakeholders. Let us understand this better with the help of an example. The product backlog consists of the product goal and the product backlog items. The product owner is accountable for the product backlog maintenance. It is the responsibility and accountability of the product owner to make the product goal transparent and visible to all the stakeholders and the development team. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future notifications.